Hi, Mr. Philpotts here from Year 5. I am going to take you through the 12 times table. We're going to have a go with a pretend number line because I haven't got one with me in my garden. I'm improvising with a large piece of wood and some paint sticks from my daughter's craft box, but we will make do. And we'll have some games, go through some counting, and then it's over to you to have a go and pause the video at any time you need to. That's right. Hopefully this will work. So we'll start with just getting our multiples of 12 written down. So you could do that with me on a piece of paper, post-it notes, anything at all. So started with 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 12 is 24, 3 times 12, 36, 4 times 12 is 48, 5 times 12 is 60, 6 times 12 is 72, 7 times 12 is 84, 8 times 12 is 96, 9 times 12 is 108, and 10 times 12 is 120. Right, let's just practice those again, say them with me. So we've got 1 times 12 is 12, 2 times 12 is 24, 3 times 12 is 36, 4 times 12 is 48, 5 times 12 is 60, 6 times 12 is 72, 7 times 12 is 84, 8 times 12 is 96, 9 times 12 is 108, and then finally 10 times 12 is 120. Right, it's going to count up and then we're going to go back in reverse. So we've got 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, and back again. 120, 108, 96, 84, 72, 60, 48, 36, 24, and 12. Right, there are some facts up there that we should hopefully be able to remember probably a little bit quicker than the others. For example, 1 times 12, that should be a very easy one to recall. 5 times 12, because we know our 5 times table, and we can remember that it ends in a 0 in this case, so 5 times 12 is 60. And then 10 times 12, so taking 12 making it 10 times bigger, 120. So let's see if we can remove those just to make it a little bit trickier for ourselves. So hopefully the black make it a little bit harder to see. Okay. Right, this time I think that's worked. I'm just going to ask the facts and I'm not going to tell the answer because I want that to come from you. So 1 times 12, 2 times 12, 3 times 12, 4 times 12, 5 times 12, 6 times 12, 7 times 12, 8 times 12, 9 times 12, and 10 times 12. Okay, you can pause the video or rewind and have another go at that. Let's see if we can remove a couple more. So I know we should be strong at our 2's most definitely. So let's get rid of 2 times 12 is 24. And we know our 3's, 3 times 12. Okay, right, let's have another go like that. So 1 times 12, 2 times 12, 3 times 12, 4 times 12, 5 times 12, 6 times 12, 7 times 12, 8 times 12, 9 times 12, and then the missing 10 times 12. Okay, what you could do now is pause the video and with someone else in your household fire some questions at each other just to practice them. You can count up in 12s, count backwards in 12s, whichever you'd like to do. They're all good methods for practicing. Right, once you've had a few goes of that, I just want to bring you on to some chili options that you could be doing next with your 12 times table. So over here I have got some chili 1 style questions. So for example, 2 times 12, think about what we've just done, 7 times 12, and 9 times 12. Go through the answers in a moment. Chili 2, something, so blank, times 12 equals 120. Notice how the digits are the same. Something times 12 equals 60, and then something times 12 equals 36. I think, and we'll come back to that in a moment. And then chili 3, take it up a step further, so 11 times 12. If we know what 10 times 12 is, we should be in a good place to be able to work out 11 lots of 12. 13 times 12. And then finally 50 times 12. Right, again, pause the video at this point, have a go. You can make up some more questions that are similar to this of your own also, challenge each other. Right, now let's have a look at what the answers are. So 2 times 12 we know is 24. 7 times 12, 84. And then 9 times 12 is 108. Well done if you got those 3 straight away. Right, actually 2 options. Blank times 12, the answer is 120. So I notice the product here is 10 times bigger. So there's a clue there, 10 times. So 10 times 12. Right, this one ends in a 0. Think about what we were talking about earlier. Looking for 5 times 12. And then something times 12 is 36. Think back to other times table facts that you know. We know 3 times 10 is 30 and 3 times 2 is 6. 36. So our answer is 3. Right, 11 times 12. If I know 10 times 12 is 120, I just need another lot of 12 on top of that, which is 132. This one we've got 13 times 12, which is in 2 more lots of 12. Well, we know 2 times 12 is 24. So if we add that on, that will give us 156. And then finally, 50 times 12. Now, let's ignore the 50 for a second and just think of it as 5. If it was 5 times 12, we know that's 60. But because it's 50, it's 10 times bigger, our product, our answer, is also going to be 10 times bigger. So that's 600. Okay. Well done if you've got all of those. As I said before, you can create your own questions from here. Rewind video, have another go. Keep practicing your times tables. Well done.